Welcome to Session 21, Rates and Compound Unit Conversions. A rate compares different kinds of quantities, such as miles per hour or dollars per pound. You will find unit rates, use distance-rate-time relationships, convert compound units, and interpret every result with both units visible. A rate is a quotient with two units. 45 miles per hour compares distance with time. $3.50 per pound compares cost with weight. 45 parts per hour compares production with time. In a unit rate, the denominator represents 1 unit of the requested per quantity. A car travels 45 miles per hour for 2.5 hours. Multiply the rate by time. The hour in the numerator cancels the hour in the denominator, leaving miles. 45 times 2.5 equals 112.5 miles. The unit verifies that distance was found. A 6-pound package costs $21. Divide total cost by total weight. 21 divided by 6 is 3.5. The unit rate is $3.50 per pound. The word places pounds in the denominator. Convert 60 miles per hour to feet per second. Multiply by 5,280 feet per mile, then by 1 hour per 3,600 seconds. Miles cancel and hours cancel. The result is 88 feet per second. Notice that the time conversion is inverted because hours began in the denominator. For constant motion, distance equals rate times time. Dividing distance by time gives rate, and dividing distance by rate gives time. Units show the rearrangement. Miles divided by miles per hour leaves hours. Always convert to compatible time and distance units before substituting values. Checkpoint. A machine makes 360 parts in 8 hours. Divide parts by hours to find the per hour rate. 360 divided by 8 equals 45. The unit rate is 45 parts per hour, so choice C is correct. Write rates as fractions with labeled units, match the requested per unit to the denominator, convert numerator and denominator units as needed, and cancel before calculating. Interpret the result in a complete sentence. Continue learning and practicing at bridgetoexam.com.